So may I know from the Honorable Minister whether the government is pursuing for the re-approval of the project, sir?
Yes, sir. So why the government of India is delayed? Because the ongoing project is yet to be completed fully, sir. Maybe because of this.
So what these proposed projects, the repairs have been prepared or not, sir?
Speaker, sir, I mean for the entire project or just for the COE?
No, these projects which are waiting for the approval.
So in fact, there are 38 number of Emrs, of which many has been approved, sir. But there are some under at different positions, sir. Some are under construction, some are tendering process, sir, and many of the DPR has been approved, sir.